let me show you the most surprising animal sounds you've probably never heard before. First up, the koala. You might think this little guy only makes cute sounds, but wait until you hear them bellow. Yup, these fluffy marsupials let out deep, growling bellows during mating season to show dominance. Number 2, the crocodile. You've probably never thought about crocs making noise, right? Well, baby crocodiles actually chirp from inside their eggs. This lets their mom know they're ready to hatch. And lastly, we have penguins. You might think these little guys are all waddles and slides, but penguins are surprisingly noisy. They honk like a mix between a goose and a car horn. Which animal sound surprised you the most? And could you recognize it in the wild? Let us know in the comments.